so fine and waiting.
We're starting off this super sexy look with a pop of highlight. Take a warm tone brown shade and a small blending brush and blend into the crease slowly while building up depth and pigment. For an even more dramatic look, you can take a shade that is slightly darker to add more depth to your look. Taking the same warm tone brown shade, you can blend into the outer corner for some extra definition and depth. Now take a shimmery copper shade and apply it all over the lid. With colors like these, it's best to apply with your finger to get the most amount of pigment out of the shadow. Be sure to go back in with a blending brush to double check everything is blended out seamlessly without any harsh lines. Taking the same brown crease color, use a fine tip definer brush to smoke out the lower lash line. This adds some extra bold definition, perfect for our baddie lash style. Now it's time to line your lashes with our pigmented packed first ever magnetic liquid eyeliner formula. Our precision tip applicator makes lash lining a total breeze. Get ready to feel like a total badass. Our original MoxieLash Baddie Lash is dangerously sexy, bold, and 1000% fierce. We created the ultimate mood-provoking magnetic lash with serious volume and length. So what are you waiting for, babe? Amplify your truth with Baddie Lash.